What are you doing?
Finishing up what Burnsy didn't do yesterday.
Wherever he is right now.
I have no idea. Seems coming early. It's like 12:03.
And no signs of Brinzy.
Made better noises yesterday.
I was gonna say that.
Like coming out of the vent a little bit.
Yeah. I was like, I closed the pack back.
But there's still bubbles inside. Bubbles inside. That should be somebody's porn name. Featuring bubbles inside.
What's wrong with you?
Special guest. Scotty Too Hottie. He didn't text me back from the plane, so I'm assuming he's in the bathroom with a twink. Mile High's clubbing it.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Mile High Club. Mile High Club.
He left us. He abandoned us.
Yeah, there's no adults today. Oops.
Neither one of us have a brain right now either.
No, we're kind of meh. Come on, baby.
Take it easy day.
It is. We're kind of strolling through the day. It's the day before a holiday, so we're kind of like whatever. Just kind of doing little loose end stuff. Which is fine. We need to do that. Man, that thing is burbling. That's the thing with these, though. Because the Mopars always take forever to fill.
Yeah.
It's that thermostat. Alright. So we will continue filling. That's what she said.
Very mature.
Who?
Not you.
Nope.
Not me either. There's cars everywhere.
There is cars.
That whole parking lot over there.
Yeah, Victor's got all kinds of stuff going today.
Busy man.
Alright. That's pretty good. Let's let her sit for a couple minutes and then we'll just top it off and call her good.
Yep.